Hello, my name is Judd Albring, and in this video, I'm going to show you the ClickFunnels real estate funnel. So there are tons of funnels out there, guys. Some very simple, some more complex. This funnel gives you a little bit of everything, right? You have the ability to do a pretty straightforward funnel. You can simply do the landing page here, and the opt-in and the thank you, and you don't even need the rest of this. Or if you want to go more involved, I'll show you here in a second. You can have the landing page, opt-in page, thank you, contact request, thank you, additional thank you page. So you have the ability to collect even more information and have your more serious people who are really looking to buy a home go through the sales funnel process. Um, so if you're new to ClickFunnels, guys, ClickFunnels is super easy to use. It is drag and drop. There's no coding, no technical experience whatsoever. Before I started using ClickFunnels, I could send a text message and that was about it. Everything here is right. If I want to change anything, I simply go there. I can change the text, right? I can change the colors. I can do all that. If I don't like this button, I can change the button. If I want that bigger, I can do that. I can change the color of the button. Okay. The background, I simply go here, click on there, and change the background image. So, and then I can go back here, boom. So the editing part is super easy. What's powerful, guys, is how this funnel works. So the way that you would use this, now this is a funnel, guys. This is a funnel that was originally done by Spencer Meekum. I've taken this funnel and just made some minor tweaks to it. And you can do the same, make changes to it, make it your own. The way you would use the funnel for real estate, guys, is you're going to have your own URL up here that you would link within ClickFunnels. And that would be the URL that you use in your Facebook About page, anywhere you want to share a link to your funnel, on your Instagram, YouTube, wherever, whatever platform you're on. This is the link you would give them because most realtors are sending people to the standard real estate website that the company gives them. And when people go to those websites, they get lost because they're kind of like, where do I go? And they're just overwhelmed with information. The funnel allows you to keep them laser focused on the task at hand. Do you want this? Yes. Well, if you want this, you got to do this. And this is how you're going to explode your business, guys. So you can do anything here. This is just an example, right? Send me a list of the homes. Depending on your area, you know what's going to kind of catch people's attention. So get my exclusive listings on the best homes in the area. And of course, you'd put here whatever your area is. Send me the list. Great. All right, I'll send you the list. Put in your name, your email, and then here you could put something even better, right? Or even, take it a step further. Would you be interested in our free XYZ? Or would you be interested in would you like me to call you? Would you like me to do this? Yes, I would love that. Great. And you can delete that if you don't want that stuff. It's a click of a button. Excellent. Your exclusive home list is on the way. Now, this is really, really cool here. This is great urgency here. You could put something here, right? Like contact me within the next blah, blah, blah for a free private blah, 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 tour of the home or however you want to do it. Or something here like know the home you want to see, contact me here. So when they click on this, now they can put in here the home that they want to see, right? 455, cool home, and wherever it is. And this can be connected to, there's a tool called Zapier. It's absolutely free. There's paid versions, but for this purpose, you could use a totally free version. And Zapier connects with ClickFunnels. Again, no technical experience required. And what would happen here is they integrate together. So when people put their name and information in here, Zapier is going to send you a text message or an email, or however you want to do it. I usually do like a text message, and it's going to send you, it's going to say you have a new lead. It's going to give you the name, the email, the phone number, and the home that they want to see so that you can contact them ASAP. So literally by the time they are done hitting click now or please contact me now, you're picking up the phone and giving them a call, right? Because we all know anybody in the business of working for themselves, the fortune is in the follow-up. If we get an email, somebody wants our services, we got to call them right away. If not, they've already contacted 5 people. So that's where this is super, super powerful. And then it'll click again. And of course, you could have images of homes back here that you actually are showing. These are just homes I found on a free photo website. Thanks, we received your information. I'll be in touch with you shortly, or I'll be in touch with you ASAP. And then here, this is a great option too. You can add in, if you don't have a private Facebook group, I highly suggest you get one. That is one of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience. Um, Great. You want immediate access to all the best homes in Chicago, Detroit, San Francisco. Join my private Facebook group. Boom, they can click, go to your Facebook group, and you can start interacting with them that way. So now you've got their phone number, you got their name, you got their email, and they're part of your Facebook group. You got all these different points of contact to start connecting with these people and growing your business. You cannot do that with just your standard website. So I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense. If you want this funnel, guys, for free, click below. If you're a ClickFunnels user, it'll upload right to your account. Start using it today. If you're not a ClickFunnels user, don't worry. You still get the funnel for free. You will be prompted to start a free 14-day trial. And if you end up becoming a ClickFunnels user, thank you. That's how I get paid, and that's how I'm able to keep my channel going and keep providing these videos for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.